Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast for Beginners. I'm Sam, your English teacher and friend.
And I'm Emma. Today's topic is something we all have, a daily routine. We'll help you talk about your day in English, step by step.
That's right. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your full day, from morning to night, using simple English sentences.
So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's start.
Let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do after you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m., stretch a little, and check my phone.
You check your phone first? I think everyone does that.
Yes. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast. Repeat after us, slowly. I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Now you try. Repeat each sentence after the beep. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Great job, listeners. You're doing really well.
When we talk about habits, we use the simple present tense. For example, I wake up early. I go to work. I sleep at 10. When you say wake up, don't say wake heavy. Say wake UHP.
Sam, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have coffee and toast. What about you?
I like rice and eggs. Gives me energy.
Now you, dear listener, what do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud. I eat underscore for breakfast.
See, you're already speaking English.
After breakfast, it's time to go to work or school.
Yes. I leave home at 7:30 a.m. I take the bus to work. Takes about 20 minutes.
Perfect. Listen again slowly. I leave home at 7:30. I take the bus to work. It takes 20 minutes.
Repeat after us. I walk to school. I drive to work. It takes 10 minutes.
Emma, how do you go to work?
I drive my car. I listen to English podcasts in the car.
Good idea. That's how you improve your English every day. Let's learn some new words. Leave home to go out of your house. Take the bus, travel by bus. It takes the time something needs. Repeat. It takes 20 minutes to get to work.
How do you go to work or school? Say it aloud. I to school.
Now you're at work or school. What do you do there?
I start work at 8 a.m. I check my emails and talk to my colleagues. I have lunch at 12:30.
Excellent. Let's repeat slowly. I start work at 8. I check my emails. I have lunch at 12:30. Grammar point. Remember, use I plus verb for habits. I start work at 8. Not I'm start work. Emma, do you take lunch from home or buy it?
I bring lunch from home. It's cheaper.
Nice. I usually buy mine. Use that for times. Example at 8 a.m., at noon, at 5 p.m.
Repeat after me. I finish work at 5. I go home at 6.
Now it's evening. What happens after work or school?
I get home around 6 p.m. I cook dinner and eat with my family. Then I watch TV and relax.
That's a lovely evening. Let's repeat it together. I get home at 6. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10. Now, listeners, tell us your routine aloud. I get home at underscore. I have dinner at underscore. I go to bed at underscore. We can connect actions to sound more natural. First, I take a shower. Then I cook dinner. After that, I watch TV. Repeat slowly after Emma. First, I take a shower. Then I cook dinner. After that, I watch TV.
Sam, do you usually cook or order food?
I cook. I like pasta and grilled chicken.
You should invite me sometime.
Weekends are different. Let's talk about what you do when you're not working or studying.
On weekends, I usually sleep late, clean my house, and go shopping. In the evening, I meet my friends. Repeat after us. On weekends, I relax. I go shopping. I visit my family. I go out with friends.
Emma, what's your favorite weekend activity?
I love reading books at the park. What about you?
I play soccer with my friends. Do the laundry, wash clothes, meet friends, spend time with friends. What do you do on weekends? Say it out loud. On weekends, I underscore 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 underscore. Let's put all your sentences together into one story, your full daily routine.
Example, I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast and go to work. I start work at 8 and finish at 5. After work I cook dinner and relax. I go to bed at 10:30. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep practicing every day.
Exactly. Speaking a little English every day helps your brain think faster in English. Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about daily routines, use the simple present tense, time expressions, connect ideas with first, then, after that.
Fantastic. Remember, practice for just 5 minutes a day. You'll sound more confident every week.
And if you want to improve faster, listen to this episode again and repeat out loud.
That's right. Thank you for joining us today.
See you next time on English Podcast for Beginners.
Bye for now, and keep speaking English every day.